G'day, welcome back. So I've gone out and purchased myself a new dual zone fridge. I ended up with the Dometic CFX5 series, the 75 litre dual zone. Now I have been running the King's 45 litre Evercool for a few years now. Never had a problem with it, but I've got a few bigger trips planned this year and really wanted the fridge space and the freezer as well. I did look at a few options with getting a drawer fridge for the camper. I just can't find the space to make it fit, or one that's suitable to fit. Looking at all the different dual zones, one that was actually going to fit on this slide was pretty hard to come by, so ended up going the Dometic. I'm really keen to see if they're all they're hyped up to be, so I'll get the box out of the back of the F-truck and we'll get it unboxed. Hopefully it actually fits on this slide. I've taken some measurements. It's going to be close, so let's see how we go. CFX5, sorry, 75 dual zone, Bluetooth, all that sort of stuff. So be interesting to see if they're as good as they're hyped up to be. So let's get it out of the box. 240 and 12 volt cord. The bags that they come in is definitely pretty nice. Two good size tubs. This one's pretty good actually. It's got a basket in top and a basket down the bottom, so that's going to be pretty handy. Digital display, USB, on off, all that sort of stuff. So let's get the King's one out and put this one in and see if it fits like I hope it's going to. I have to find a space for this other stuff because I don't think it's going to fit in there with the new fridge. Now I do actually plan on keeping the 45. I'm going to end up putting it in the back of the Navara because it's got a dual battery system in it as well, so at least it's always going to have a fridge in it too. So we'll see how we go. easy enough. If this doesn't fit, I'm going to be a little upset. Well, interesting. Oops. So apparently I can't read a tape measure, so I'm going to have to modify the draw slide to allow the Dometic to fit. It doesn't fit inside the draw slide that's on it, but it does fit within the inside the door. So I'm going to cut this side section off and turn this horizontal as well and mount it horizontally to be able to get the Dometic into the Nugget. Wish me luck. Alright, so far I've removed the side panel and fitted a new mounting point for the other rail. I'm going to sit the other slide horizontally as well, hack that back out and chop the sides off the drawer because it's a little narrow as well. And then we'll get it all fitted back up and see how it goes. Alright, all chopped up. The vertical slide is now on the bottom. Still locks in, good. Slides out. Chop both sides off the drawer because the fridge is just that little bit wider than I thought it was. Let's have another crack at it. Perfect. Literally just fits. And we're going to have to push it right to the front so we can open that bit, but there's enough room to be able to do that, which is awesome. Let's get this plugged in and strapped down and we'll call it a day. Nice and snug.
Beautiful.